Let's read the question together. Table 1 shows some data about halogens. And we can see in Table 1 we've got some information about fluorine, chlorine and bromine. They're the first three halogens, the first three elements in group 7 of the periodic table. We have their melting point and boiling point given to us in degrees Celsius. So what is the melting point? The melting point is the temperature at which a substance turns from being a solid to a liquid or a liquid to a solid. What's the boiling point? This is the temperature at which a substance turns from being a liquid to a gas or a gas to a liquid. Let's read part A. Give the state of bromine at room temperature 25 degrees C. So the command word here is give. Even though state is a type of command word, in this particular question, state here means solid, liquid or gas. We're considering bromine and we're considering it at room temperature, which has been defined as 25 degrees C in the question. So, looking at the information about bromine in the table, its melting point is -7 degrees C and its boiling point is 58.8 degrees C. And the room temperature, 25 degrees C, falls between these two values. This means bromine will have melted, turned from solid to liquid, but not yet boiled, so not yet turned from liquid to gas. Therefore, bromine will be a liquid at this temperature. Let's look at part B. Suggest the temperature range that fluorine would be a liquid. The command word is suggest. We're looking for a temperature range and we're looking for this to be fluorine in the liquid state. So, looking at the table above, fluorine here. Its melting point is -220 degrees centigrade. This means melting happens as a phase change. That means the substance can be both solid and liquid at this temperature. So the lowest temperature that fluorine can be a liquid would be -220 degrees C. The boiling point is -188 degrees C. Again, this is a phase change. Therefore, fluorine can be both a gas and a liquid at this temperature. So the highest temperature that fluorine can be a liquid is -188. Therefore, the range is as low as -220 and the highest is a -188 degrees Celsius. Part C. Explain why the boiling point of bromine is higher than that of chlorine. The command word is explain. We're focusing on the boiling point and we're thinking about bromine compared to chlorine. So bromine is a much bigger molecule than chlorine. This means it has stronger intermolecular forces of attraction between the molecules, and it's these forces of attraction that we break when we melt a covalent substance that is made of simple molecules. Therefore, because those forces are weaker in chlorine than bromine, you need less energy and its boiling point will be lower. So, what are we going to write? We're going to write that bromine has higher intermolecular forces of attraction between the molecules. They need more energy to be overcome. So the boiling point, BP for short, is higher.